Nongtrei ke Karohis Autonomous Council gayok Mynsiem hadin ba unongiram keling Persia Dr. Mukul Sangma rangkat ke MLA ke MDC ke TMC kira Leit Mynsiem ha kajing ki jongki hatura mentakasngi ke khasau tarik unaira ajal pesan Nongtrei ke Ghadc hapok lama kanon kajitet Employment Association kira penolong kajing ki bandawa seu no ia ketulap kebal rasau fulai benai kenti Dr. Mukul rangkat kiwe wala jengok igini Nongtrei kibla penolong jing ki jongki kebayat Islam ha hadu mentah unoyam ngil persia ula penpau ya kajing sokia halo kajing lek kuman ke soka jela ya kajing jong Nongtrei ka Ghadc ulong bagi discouncil kidai ban yo ya kebentak berihok katkum kariti sensiara kari
to meet the agitating employees of Ghadc Autonomous District Council. We all know that for last 43 months they have been deprived of the salary that was supposed to be paid to them, and as a matter of responsibility towards addressing all issues, confronting our people, and particularly in this instant case, confronting the ADCs and the capability of ADC to respond to its mandated responsibility as per the Constitution. These are matters of concern. We need to address them. Recently, I have called on, along with my friend, members of Ghadc Autonomous District Council, the Honorable Governor, and these are issues which we need to take up in the right earnest, because if the government is seen as insensitive to this given situation, then we cannot be silent spectator. We have to assume the responsibility of ensuring that the Autonomous District Council receives the due care and due attention as per the mandate that is enshrined in the Constitution of India.